Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today at this fantastic 4 double bedroom townhouse on Church Hill, just a short walk into the town centre. Property has 3 good sized reception rooms, 3 bathrooms, rear access, carport, garage and a good sized garden. Let's take a look inside. One of the big benefits of this property is the vehicular access at the rear, where there's a carport and a good sized garage. You've joined me in the rear garden of this fabulous property. We've got a good terrace here that opens out onto the kitchen diner, good sized garden, plenty of scope to do what you like there, and of course a double garage which could be a workshop, home office, gym. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this fantastic property. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.